Hi guys, day 8 of your home training sessions and workouts. You've got a 3-part workout today. First part is a TABATA alternating between weighted row and thruster. We've got an 8-minute amrap of inchworms, burpees and sit up to stands, and then 4 rounds of dips and heel taps, okay? Your weighted row can be done with anything. I'm using my gym bag. Load it up with anything you want, okay? What we want to make sure, hinge at the hips, keeping those shoulders squeezed back. We're going to row into that chest, okay? And back down. Hello. Okay, rowing into that chest, nice and controlled on the way down, okay? You're going to do that for 20 seconds. Next set of 20 seconds, using the same bag again if you want to. We're going to do some thrusters, okay? Nice and up at our chest, all the way down to that squat, driving up overhead. Obviously, okay? Can be done with anything, just wants to be nice and loaded, okay? So anything you want to do. You can do that for TABATA, so that's 8 rounds, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, alternating between the two. Next one's an 8-minute AMRAP. You've got 2 inchworms, 7 burpees, 2 inchworms, 7 sit up to stands, okay? Constantly working through that for 8 minutes. Your inchworms, come on, let's go. Okay, want to keep the core nice and tight. We're going to get as low to the floor as we can. Walking it out nice and slowly. As low as we can before walking ourselves back up. Okay, you've got 2 reps of that. 7 burpees, chest to the floor. Jump and clap. And then another 2 inchworms and then 7 sit up to stands. If you can do them, great. Grab yourself a cushion or a blanket or something. Or you can do 7 sit-ups instead. Want to try and keep tucked into the chest, rolling back and standing up. Okay, 7 of those, working through for 8 minutes. Last one is 4 rounds, 12 slow dips and 20 heel taps. Slow dips done off the sofa, okay? Holding on, legs straight out in front, dipping down, straight back up. If that's too hard, we can tuck the knees in to make it easier. Okay, so bending them, same movement, 12 reps. Then you've got your heel taps, okay? So find anything that kind of is tall, you can kind of pass your heels over, grab anything, bottom of the line. You're going to try and keep hands by your hips. We're going to bring the toes over the top and down the other side. Okay. Obviously, the higher the object is, the harder it will be. So you've got 12 slow dips, 20 heel taps for 4 rounds. That's your workout. That is day 8. For a warm-up, I suggest getting your heart rate up with 30 star jumps, 20 seconds of high knees on the spot, and then 3 rounds of 5 burpees, 10 air squats, 10 press-ups and 10 sit-ups. Cool, nice work.